you guys, my name is Cherri and welcome to Vlogmas Day 15. You like this shirt? No, I don't like that. I'm struggling. Okay. No. Ugh. Hey you guys, my name is Cherri and welcome to Vlogmas Day 15. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything that I've been loving for the month of December. If you don't know, a favorites video is a video that YouTubers create sharing everything that they've been using and loving for that month. I'm really excited because I love watching favorites videos, and I think I have a lot of cool things that you guys would also be interested in. I didn't want to just share with you any type of favorite item that I've been using. I'm a person who loves new products. I'm just like a consumer, so if I see something new and interesting, most likely I'm going to try it. And yeah, this month I definitely came up with a few items that I've been gravitating towards, and I also wanted to make sure the things that I share with you would be beneficial, especially with health and wellness. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. So the first 4 items I'm going to share with you is a hair care set that I've been using and loving. It is by the brand Melanin hair care. So if you guys don't know, Melanin hair care was created by a YouTuber. Her name is Natural85. She has been a YouTuber here for definitely over 10 years now. She's huge in the natural hair community, and she came out with her own hair care line, and I finally got my hands on the products, and let me tell you, they work so well. I am a person that struggles with hair care products because, for one, I have different textures in my hair, so I have a hard time finding one product that will work really good for my entire head. And honestly, I think actually, I know for a fact that I found what I need in Melanin hair care. So it's a 4-part system. I think there's only 4 products. So let me start with the shampoo. This is the African Black Salt Reviving Shampoo. It definitely helps with like clearing out any buildup that I have. It kind of soothes my scalp, moisturizes it, and my hair feels amazing after washing it. It doesn't feel stripped. It doesn't feel dried out. I love this. Like, I love it. And look at the freaking packaging, yo. Look at that. Mad cute. Then we have the Melanin Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. As you guys can see, I'm almost halfway through this product. It is really good. I use it to condition my hair. I use it as a leave-in conditioner. It definitely helps with detangling my hair because I get a lot of knots in the crown area, and this literally just melts the knots right out. No lie, if you are going to try this product, any item from this line, I would choose this leave-in conditioner, and that is just hands down, this is a good product, period. In the hair care community, there's something called the lock method. That is where you put a leave-in conditioner, then you put an oil, and then you put a styling cream on top. So I use the leave-in conditioner, I apply the oil right on top of that, and the oil is amazing. I love it. Honestly, my hair feels so hydrated. I will say this, I do find that my hair is a lot more, I'm not gonna say greasy, but if I put my hand in my hair, I can feel the oils in my hair. But that's truthfully how it should be, right? You should feel like your hair is nice and hydrated. So being that the oil comes off on my hand, it'll also come off on like your pillowcases and things of that nature. It doesn't bother me. But if you're a person that don't like to feel things on your hair, maybe this oil wouldn't be for you, but I love it. I love when my hair feels nice and hydrated, and it just feels like it's being fed properly. After the oil, I go in with the Twist Elongating Style Cream. They did not lie when they said this thing elongates the hair. Sometimes when you're using a style cream, once the style cream dries, your hair kind of shrinks up. this product actually acts as a stretcher, right? So my hair seems a little bit longer than it usually is in its natural state. I love this product, and yeah, I'm gonna be using this for forever. And I purchased my Melanin hair care at ultabeauty.com. But she also has her own website. I will try my best to link everything down below in the description box. The next hair care item that I want to show you guys is this brush. I love this brush so much because, one, look at how it's constructed. It has like this flex brush head mechanism, and I love that because as I'm brushing and detangling my as I'm brushing my hair, the brush kind of flex with my hair, so it's not pulling and jerking and tugging at my hair. It's kind of moving with it, if that makes sense. This brush has been really good in helping me retain length. I feel like my hair has grown a lot over the past few months, and I want to say it's because I'm not using a brush that is pulling my hair out. This brush is actually allowing me to keep more of my strands. I got it from Amazon, and I want to say it was about $9–10. This could be a dupe for a different kind of brush, but I'm not 100% sure. I am a bun person. I love to wear my hair in buns, especially when I'm at home. I've been working from home, doing pretty much everything at home lately, so it's important for me just to make sure I'm protecting my hair even when it's in a bun. So I've been using these scrunchies that are made out of this satin material. If you don't know, the satin material, it doesn't break your hair. It doesn't kind of like dig into each strand of your hair, causing breakage or causing dead ends, whatever the case may be. They definitely help with just protecting your hair while it's in a bun or ponytail. And I got these scrunchies from Amazon, and it came in like a pack of maybe 10, 15. It could have been more. I have so many of them, and I use them. I throw them in the wash machine, I reuse them, and they've been working just fine. So these are definitely a favorite. Clearly, I've been all about my hair in the month of December because the last hair care item that I want to show you is this deep conditioner. I first heard about it in an email from Sephora, and one of my friends, Mary, she actually tried it out. She did not ever give me an update on how it was, but I had a coupon for Sephora, so I ended up picking this deep conditioner up on my own, and let me tell you, it works. Hydrating, making my hair more manageable so I can comb through it without all the tangles. This stuff is really good, and it's by Adwoa. I don't want to mess up the name, but Adwoa Beauty. It is a Bowmet deep conditioning treatment, and what I do is, you know, I wash my hair regularly with shampoo and then I automatically put the deep conditioner on. I also have a heated cap that I put in the microwave for a minute, and once my deep conditioner is in my hair, I put the heated cap on. I usually leave that on for about 45 minutes to an hour, and when I take it out, wash my hair is so soft, so silky. I can brush through it, I can comb through it. It feels amazing. And also, it smells really good too. You could definitely smell that mint. So good. Make you feel like you're just treating the scalp with love. Alright, so that's pretty much it for hair care. I have two more items that I want to show you. The first item that I'm going to show you is a drink, okay? It is by the brand Evolution, and I have 3 of them here. So I just started drinking these about 2 weeks ago. I wanted to be able to drink green juices without actually blending up the vegetables. Yes, that is very lazy of me, but I don't feel like blending and juicing. Like, the whole juicing situation is a hot ass mess. Like, no, I don't want to do it. So I went on not the Whole Food app, the Amazon app, and you know, in Amazon you can go to Whole Foods and order whatever groceries. So I found these evolution drinks, and this one has to be my favorite. Like, I've tried a few of them, but this one is the best only because it's a mixture of greens and fruits. It is the organic super fruit greens, and it has orange, mango, pineapple, cucumber, spinach, romaine, and kale. Perfect combination. I love this drink. At Whole Foods, I want to say they're about $3 to $4, but I feel like they're almost worth it. They're worth that $3 to $4 for me, okay? In the morning, I'm kind of like a beverage person, right? So I've been drinking this. I have a cup of coffee. I drink my water. I take my vitamins. I'm set until lunchtime. But this drink right here, I feel like my skin is getting brighter. I feel like I have more energy. Every time I juice or drink green smoothies, I always get this feeling, and that's how I know it's working. Even though I've been drinking the Evolution drinks for their green juices, I also tried or wanted to try some more of their juices. So the Organic Defense Up is an orange, pineapple, mango, apple, and acerola. I don't know what that is, honestly. Probably something sweet. This drink is really good, especially during these days, right, when we have this pandemic going on. You want to make sure you have your vitamins, and you're going to definitely get your vitamin C and D after drinking the Defense Up. The last one is an organic strawberry lemonade. I actually have not tried this one, but I could tell by the name, okay? I'm sold. So if you're interested in the Evolution drinks, I would check out your local grocery store. They definitely would have them there, and they're so good. Just choose the ones that you like the best. So if you don't pick out anything from this favorites, I would get the Evolution drinks. The last thing I want to share with you guys is my Burst toothbrush. Okay, this is my very first electric toothbrush, and I want to say I've been using it for about 3 months now, and it is amazing. I love this toothbrush. It was recommended to me by my dentist. She actually sells them at her dentist's office, but they also have them on Amazon, and you know, quite naturally, look at it. It's freaking pink, okay? Anything pink, it's just cute. But yeah, I love this toothbrush because one, it makes me feel like my teeth are super clean. I feel like I just got like a dental cleaning after every use. And there's different molds, right? So love that. It's chargeable. It comes with its own like travel case, so whenever you want to go on vacation, you just pop the head off and put it in the case, and you're ready to go. This toothbrush has really changed my whole dental oral care game. I have been working on my teeth, you know. I had nothing else to do during the pandemic, so I spent a lot of time at the dentist. Can you tell? Anyways, if you guys want to check this toothbrush out, I will link it down below. It is by the brand Burst. Alright, that is pretty much everything for this favorites video. I had a lot of fun filming it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you actually will be able to take something from it. Whether it be the green juices, whether it be a toothbrush, whether it be a hair care item, whatever the case may be. And if not, that's okay too. Sometimes we don't find things that we're interested in. So if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which items from this favorites video are you most interested in. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, turn on that notification bell so you'll never miss an upload from me. I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 16. Oh my gosh, like we are literally down to the end. I am so proud of myself. It's been fun. We're 10 days away from the 25th, which is Christmas Day. I'm excited. God bless you all, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.